Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to manage inventory on Shopify step by step. So this will help you keep track of your stock and make sure your product quantities stay updated. So first, I want you to log into your Shopify admin dashboard, and from the menu on the left, click on products, then select inventory. So in here, you'll see the products that already have inventory tracking enabled. And if a product doesn't appear on this page, go back to products and open the then make sure inventory tracking is turned on, and you can also enable this when adding a new product so Shopify can start tracking its stock right away. Once that is done, return to the inventory page and you'll now be able to see details like the available and on hand quantities. You can also update these numbers whenever you receive new stock, make sales, or need to adjust inventory after returns. And if you need to update several products, select them and use the bulk edit option. So this makes it much easier or faster to change multiple items at once. You can also open a single product if you only need to update its inventory, price, shipping details, or other information. And that is how you can manage inventory on Shopify and keep your stock information organized and up to date. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.